Back to today's video. So today's video I'm doing a quick eyebrow tutorial on how I do to perfect my eyebrows. Let's get into this video. So today's you will need a spoolie, eyebrow pencil. You can use one of these. I use it, or you also need a brush. So this one is the angle, so an angle makeup brush. That really helps. And you also need your concealer. So I got this concealer in Fawn, and I got Cool Tan. So I use Fawn at the top and I use Cool Tan at the bottom. Really, you want to try and use something that is lighter underneath your brow bone, and then you try to use your color, your actual shade on the top of your brow bone. So let's get into this video, guys. If you don't see me fully looking at the camera, that's because I'm looking in my mirror to make sure I try and perfect these eyebrows. So let's get into it, and make sure that your the material that you're using, your pencil, eyebrow pencil, they are sharp, have a nice sharp to them, so it works better. So let's fix this eyebrow here. So let me fix this eyebrow. So what you do is you want to start shaping them. There's different shapes of eyebrows, and if you generally have your eyebrow waxed and pluck or tweeze, then that is great. You shape them the way you want. What I do is I just usually do this, and let me move that, push them up to the shape that I want. So your girl needs to get her eyebrows actually done, but I shape them up a little bit. So I would recommend, if you don't know how to do your eyebrows, like shape them, go and get them professionally shaped. It might take a while if you've never had them shaped before. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with my eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to start from the bottom. So I usually start from the bottom, and I just go, and I want it there, and I will also start from the top and go over. So I kind of want an arch like what you see there in my brows, and then I'm just going to shade it in. Alright, so I'm gonna shade it in like that. Okay, so good so far. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the next side. Alright, so as you see, I kind of want like a nice little arch. And just remember, guys, your eyebrows ain't twins. So you're gonna have one that's gonna look good, the other one's not gonna look 100, but that's okay as long as they look close enough, then you are good. And if you want them thicker, then you can draw them thicker or thinner. To each is your own. And yeah, and this is just how I do my eyebrows. Have to try and see what works for you. If you don't use the eyebrow pencil, you also use the eyebrow gel. This is chocolate from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I sometimes use this. So yeah, I sometimes use it as well to make sure helps me to get my eyebrows in order. Okay, so as you can see so far, this brow looks better than this one. So let's fix this one a little bit more. Don't worry, your eyebrows are not gonna stay like that. You're gonna fix them up and make them look much better. So I usually go like that because you want it to look thin out. So I'm just gonna continue to fix them. Now that I've done that, I use my spoolie to swish it out, and you can go and use your spoolie pretty much over your whole brow. So just, if you don't want your eyebrows too dark, you can get a brown, like a medium brown pencil. Okay, So now I'm gonna go in with, I always start at the bottom brow. I'm gonna go in with my Cool Tan concealer, and for kicks, I don't think I'm gonna use my Eyebrow. I'm just gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna use this because I don't find this does anything anyways to the brows. So, and it does the same thing as using a shape brush. So I'm gonna go in and going to use that. All right, and like I said, you drag it down, and don't worry guys, it's going to all look, it's gonna all come together when it's finished. So do that, and then I'm gonna do the other side. So now I'm going to get my angle sponge right here, and then I'm going to use this, and I'm just going to start and dab, and I turn it and I put it on the angle. I find that this works great for me. You see how that underneath that brow is just looking cleared up already? Yeah, definitely. So you just continue doing that. You fully want to get rid of all of this. Like say if you're just doing your brows alone and not putting on any makeup, you would continue dabbing it until basically it blends into your skin color, or you can use the other foundation. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Fawn concealer, and we are going to do the top. Right, okay, and then I'm just going to go in, back in with my angle sponge as well, and I'm just gonna slowly dab. Okay guys, so as you can see, look at that, and my brows are pretty much done. What do you guys think so far? Look good? I also would drag my concealer down in between. Some people, I know they leave it. You can do that as well. You don't have to put the concealer in between, but I generally, if there's access, I put it, I like to drag it in between. And like I said, if you don't, not doing anything else with, but just doing your eyebrows, you want to make sure you get over your full eye, and you just keep patting. Once you keep patting, you want to pat the concealer into your face. Okay, if you find that one of your brows is more thicker than the other, you can go back in with using the concealer to trace it over. If you want it thinner, you can go with the concealer as well to tone it down, and it would make it thinner as well. Or you can redraw and redo as well if you make a mistake and you find that your brows are not looking the way you want it to look. So I'm just going to finish patting this into my face right here. All right guys, so there you go. I'm all finished, and this was just a quick, what, maybe 5-minute eyebrow tutorial on how to get that eyebrow. So you have my eyebrow looking from this to now this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this quick tutorial on how to do a quick demonstration of how to do your eyebrow. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to tell a friend to come and join Shan Studio over here for more makeup videos and tips. Yes, I am no professional guys. These are just tips and tricks that I've learned through the years of to do my makeup, and this is how I do my eyebrows. And if you guys have any other way of doing your eyebrows, definitely let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for joining me today. I will catch you all in the next one. Bye guys.